Technology should do more than just function. It should connect and empower your people around a shared purpose. At Connect Centric, we don't believe one size fits all. By working alongside you, we craft expert-led solutions tailored to your needs. We don't just deliver services. We build trusted partnerships with our team that is proactive, empathetic, and transparent. Our humanistic, holistic solutions draw on the collective knowledge of your people, combining it with emotional intelligence to implement adaptable technologies across your organization. From nonprofits to government, healthcare, education, and finance, we understand the distinct challenges you face. In business transformation like cloud migrations, AI adoption, and IT cost management, we use IT strategies to drive operational goals. With IT service management, we streamline Jira service management processes, making customer service support faster and more effective. In Agile at Scale, we support organizations ready to expand their Agile practices across teams and departments with Jira Align. Through licensing and support, we help manage billing and offer comprehensive support. With product development and integration, we implement Atlassian products and create cohesive workflows for your unique business needs. And in training, we offer hands-on, instructor-led sessions to help your team make the most use of the Atlassian ecosystem. Founded in 2009, Connect Centric is a minority woman-owned certified small business and GSA contract holder.